Hi everybody, welcome back to the Crafty Corner. I'm Katrina, just bringing you part 2 of the small Shop My Shed gift concepts. So I had all these bath bombs and bath soaps that I got from Dollar Tree, and some washcloths and loofahs that I got from Temu. So I paired them together to make these little bath concepts. And this is just simply, that is the bath soap with the loofah. And then I have the bath bombs with the mini towels. I also had one cherry blossom lotion left. So I paired it with a soap and made another cute little gift set that you'll see in just a moment here. So remember, shop your stash and see what little gift sets you can come up with. Here's the soap with the teddy bear washcloth and the body lotion. And this is all in the cherry blossom flavor, and this is one gift set that I put together. Remember that these are your money makers, and these are the items that you can sell at an affordable and reasonable price for someone who may not be able to afford an expensive gift. These will fill in the gaps from your large gift items and give you a good, decent profit. Please tell me what you think down in the comments. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for visiting me in the Crafty Corner. Be blessed, but most importantly, be a blessing.